Hi all, today we are going to see a knapsack problem. It is a well-known problem. Let's first understand how to solve the problem and we can see how to apply a greedy technique to it.
What is meant by a knapsack problem? The thief used to come with a bag and collect the item from our house and sell our product outside. What is the aim of the thief? The item what he have picked from our house should be maximum. It is one of the real-time problem. One more real-time problem we can relate to this is the transportation of goods from one place to another. The same thing, the goods transport from one place to another should gain a maximum value. So let's start to a problem. So we have a list of item 1 to 7. For each item, the corresponding profit and weight is given. So let's understand for what weight and profit is given. See, bag is given. Here the bag capacity is 15. W, capital W, is said to be a knapsack. Knapsack is nothing but a bag. So we can see one example for it. See, this is a bag. The bag maximum weight is, they can carry, the maximum weight will be 13. So we have a list of items. The item, for each item, we have a weight and the value. So what is the goal? What is the goal of the knapsack problem? Fill the knapsack, fill the bag such that the profit is maximum and the weight is equal to or less than the capacity, because if the weight is more, the bag cannot be carry the item. So let's start to the problem. So what is mean by 0/1 knapsack problem? It is the item cannot be divided. It should be taken as a whole or cannot be taken. If it is taken to a bag, it is denoted by a 1. If it is not taken, then it is denoted by 0. So to solve this problem, you can give an idea for it. You can tell, we can take a maximum profit products and place to a bag. I may tell that we can take a minimum weight product and place it to a bag. Both the solution are correct. But what is the method we are going to follow? So by using a greedy method, we have to first identify which method we are going to follow. The method should be give a feasible solution. Each step should give a feasible solution. At last, we have to produce one optimal solution. So here, first we are finding the profit by weight for each item. This is the method we are going to follow. So what is the item 1? Profit divided by weight. So 10 divided by 2 will be 5. Next item 2, 5 divided by 3, the value will be 1.3. Next item 3, 15, profit is 15, the weight is 5. So 15 divided by 5, the value will be 3. Next item 4, profit is 7, the weight is 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. Next item 5, the profit is 6 and the weight is 1. 6 divided by 1 will be 6. So next item 6, 80 divided by 4, the value will be 4.5. Next item 7, the value 3, profit is 3 divided by the weight is 1, the value will be 3. After calculating the profit divided by weight, we have to take our container, that is nothing but our bag. So what is the capacity of the bag? It is 15. So we have to place the item equal to 15 or less than 15. How to choose the item? For that only we have calculated the profit divided by weight. So we have to take the maximum profit item first. So the maximum profit item here is Item 5, the value is 6. So first you have to take the item 5 before placing the item 5 to the container. You have to check whether the weight is lesser than the capacity of the bag. So item 5 weight is 1. So it is lesser than the capacity. So you can probably place the item 5 to the bag. After placing the item 5, we have to minus the weight of the original capacity bag. So the item 5 weight is 1. So 15 minus 1. Now the capacity is 14. Next, we have to check the next maximum. What is the next maximum item? The next maximum item is 1. So you have to check the weight. 2. It is lesser than the 14. So probably you can place the item 1. So next maximum is yes, item 6. So the weight is 4. It is lesser than the now 12. So you can probably place the item 6 to the bag. Now the 12 minus 4, its weight is minus, so it is 8. So next maximum is item 3. The weight is 5. It is lesser than the now capacity weight is 8. So it is lesser than 5. So we can probably place the item 3 to the bag. Next we have to minus the weight. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Next, what is the next maximum? It is item 7. The item 7 is placed. The weight of the item is 7 is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now the capacity of the bag is 2. What is the next maximum? Item 2. The item 2 weight is 3. It is larger than the capacity. Can you place it to a bag? No. So we cannot place the item to the bag. So we have to deny that particular item, move to next item. So the next item is item 4. The weight is 7. So cannot place the item to the bag. So we will be left with the item 4. We have to check any more item is left. No, we have checked all the item. So now we have to calculate our x value. How will you calculate the x value? If the item is placed to a bag, means you have to give a 1. If it is not, you have to give the value 0. So item 1 is placed, so 1. Item 2 is not placed, so 0. Item 3 is placed, so 1. Item 4 is not placed, 0. Item 5 is placed, 1. Item 6 is placed, so 1. Item 7 is placed, yes, it is 1. So our problem is over. Now we have to calculate the total weight and total profit gained. So now how will you calculate the weight? Total bag weight, it is summation of weight into that particular item weight. If it is placed, we will be denoted by 1. So 1 into that particular item weight. So first item, yes, it is 1. So item 1 into the x value into that particular item weight. So 1 into 2 plus 0. Second item is not placed, so it is 0. Third item, yes, it is placed, so x value is 1. Item 3 weight is 5, so 1 into 5. Fourth item is not placed, so it is 0. Next, fifth item, yes, it is placed, so x value is 1. The item 5 weight is 1, so 1 into 1. Next, item 6, it is 1. So the weight of the item 6 is 4, 1 into 4. Next, item 7, yes, it is placed. So 1 into the particular weight 3. So 1 into 3. So what is the total? What is the total? Calculate the total. Yes, the total is 13. Yes. Now we have to calculate the profit similar to the weight. Now summation of that item profit into x value. First item, yes, it is placed, so 1 into 10. Second item is not placed, so it is 0. Plus third item, yes, it is placed, the X value is 1. Item 3 profit is 15. Plus fourth item is, it is not placed, so it is 0. Plus next, fifth item, yes, it is placed, so 1 into item 5 profit is 6. So 1 into 6 plus sixth item, yes, it is placed. So 1 into the item 6 value, that is profit, is 18. So 1 into 18 plus seventh item, yes, it is placed. So 1 into the item 7 item profit is 3. 1 into 3. So if you are calculating that particular value, so you will be getting 52. That will be your final answer. Yes, you have done with your problem. So what is the approach we have used to solve this problem by using a greedy technique? First, you have to calculate the ratio. How will you calculate the ratio? It's nothing but profit divided term. Finally, you have to calculate the profit. If you have any doubt, please do comment me. I have given one assignment problem for you. Please do calculate and check. Thank you.